Okay, let's do it. 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 Do it. Do it. Okay. Okay, friends. The topic of the day is giving, helping, impacting, giving to the people that surrounding you, helping them impact their life in the positive way, of course. Whatever you do during the day, whatever you work, if you're an employee, or if you're a business owner, just give the best. Give the best to the client. Make sure that the client get the best. Make sure that the client's getting the best experience or the best product with the right price, and everybody will be happy. And then you will be happy because you will get rewarded by very appreciative clients that will give you love, will make you proud for your success, and will give you lots of money. This is the secret of success. Giving, impacting, helping in any way you can. If you want to give love, give attention, give money, give good advice, impact people's life. Okay guys, I hope I helped somebody, inspired at least one person. Okay, talk to you later. Bye bye.